Hey guys, how you doing? This is Andy Huang. 大家好，我是黄家庆. Hey guys, I would like to share something with you really quick this morning. For those of you that you know, I am, I'm a gun fanatic. So I wanted to share this with you guys. Starting September the 12th, which is in just 3 days. Right, if you live in Nassau County, a lot of people are not aware of. Yes, you do need a pistol permit to purchase firearms such as handguns, but with nothing but a driver license, obviously you have to pass the background check with the FBI background check. They do it instantly at the store. You'll be able to purchase long rifles and shotguns. So that law is coming to a change in 3 days, September the 12th. If you ever fill out a form, you understand once you do a background search, you either instantly pass, they'll be able to sell you the firearm on the spot, or if it comes back delayed, not denied, but delayed, you'll have to wait either a couple of days to a week. The new law that proposed in 3 days is that anytime when someone is delayed, you will have to wait a mandatory 30-day period. So that definitely is going to impact the ability of you obtain firearms. So in case if you would like to find a closest place, my friend is called Jimmy's Sports Shop in Mineola. They're fantastic. Jimmy and Jay is actually Navy retired, so he obviously knows knows everything basically. All right, so any firearm that you would like to get, the ones that Navy SEALs has, the MP5s, all that stuff that as a civilian you're not able to get, they could get it for you, and then what they could do is they could customize it and make it legal. A common misconception is that AR-15 is banned. So it's not that. It's just a couple of features, like the forward vertical grips, removable magazines, and then all that stuff. The reason why they don't want to make it too aggressive, so with that, simple fix is you have a fixed magazine. So 10 rounds and you fix in the chamber so you can't take it out anymore. That makes it street legal, and you could purchase it. Again, I don't want to get too much into details. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Definitely check out Jimmy's Sports Shop at Mineola. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye now.